And Herodias got furious. She managed to arrest John the Baptist and put him in the prison. Actually, she wanted to kill him. But King Herod was afraid for two reasons. First, though he did not agree with John the Baptist, he respected John the Baptist as a righteous person, as a holy person. Secondly, he knew people were all going to John the Baptist to receive the baptism at Jordan. So he was afraid of the people. And today's reading says, this Herod Antipas gave a banquet, and Herodias' daughter, not the Antipas' daughter, Herod Philip's daughter, her name is Salome, young girl, beautiful girl, danced and pleased the king and all the guests. And the stupid king tells her, ask whatever you want, I will give. Even half of my kingdom I will give. She goes inside and asks the mother, what shall I ask? So mother got the opportunity, says, ask for his head. And she comes and says, though Herod felt sorry, stupid fellow, he gave a wrong promise, and to keep his prestige and name, he ordered Herod's head to be brought and to be given. And what happened to Herod Antipas? It is not said in the Bible. But if we read the Jewish history, we know he lost whatever territory he had. He was ruling the whole province of Galilee. That he lost because the Roman Emperor Caligula came to know that this man is not a good ruler, took away everything. He has to go outside Galilee. He lost everything except his stupid wife.